Want to meet 5 amazing words? Then you have reached the right place. Well, before we start, let me tell you word number 1 and word number 3 are my favorites for the day. Word number 1 you'll absolutely love, and word number 3 also is a lovely word to use in your daily conversations. Now, these are the words, these difficult words are the words that we have been discussing since 2015, helping our students, working executives, freshers, housewives, and any particular learner master these difficult words in a very, very simple way so that they can sound sophisticated in front of their friends, relatives, employers, colleagues, and they can score more in various competition exams which require English as a major component. Quickly moving on to the words for the day. These are 5 amazing words that you must absolutely know. The first one is scrounge. I told you this is my favorite for the day. Scrounge is basically when you're begging, you're borrowing something, you're searching for something, you're scrounging for something, you're searching for something. Hindi would be मुफ्त का सामान ढूंढना या search करना किसी चीज़ को ढूंढना. Antonym is offer. The opposite of beg is to offer. Now, what is the brain-friendly wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word on the left-hand side. People are queuing up in front of a line, of a lounge. Why are they in a line? Because they want to enter the lounge. But the lounge is saying you need to be getting an entry ticket first, and then they are begging for tickets because the tickets are not available. So that is how you remember scrounge. You're begging for tickets of the lounge. You're scrounging for tickets of the lounge. That is how you remember this particular word. Moving to the usages, scrounging for capital. Many of the businesses are dying because of the corona crisis and they're scrounging for capital. Scrounging for food. People on the national highways due to the corona crisis are scrounging for food. Sentence 1. The BJP has been scrounging for alliances, but Congress is confident to go in alone. BJP at one point of time was scrounging for alliances, searching for alliances. Sentence 2. As energy is essential for development, countries are scrounging for alternate ways to fuel homes and industry. Because of the fuel crisis, countries are scrounging for alternate ways to fuel their homes and industry. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. Moving on to the next word for the day. The next word is scrupulous. Scrupulous is basically precise, meticulous, particular, and painstaking, something that is difficult to do. Hindi would be imandari, kartavyanisht. Somebody who is scrupulous is imandar and kartavyanisht. Antonym is careless and carefree. Somebody who is scrupulous is very careful, while the antonym is careless and carefree. Pronunciation is scrupulous. Now, what is the brain-friendly way, wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Through mnemonics, through underlining, and through visual. Look at the visual that we have provided. The visual shows a particular drilling machine which is drilling a screw. When you are drilling a particular screw in the wall, it is a very meticulous job. It is a very precise job. One point here and there, and you can, break the wall, cut your finger, or something of that sort can happen. Some kind of a problem can happen. So you have to be very, very precise. You have to be very, very meticulous. You have to be very, very particular. That is the meaning of scrupulous. When you are drilling a screw, you have to be scrupulous. That is how you remember this particular word. Moving on to the usages, scrupulous details. You have to note down the scrupulous details. Scrupulous observer, somebody who observes in a very precise and meticulous way. Sentence 1. Effective matchmaking involves flawless and scrupulous matching of the horoscopes of two concerned people. The Pandits match the horoscopes very scrupulously, very precisely, very meticulously. Sentence 2. Akshay's lifestyle is strictly regulated with the fixed workout hours, scrupulous diet charts, and measured sleep. Akshay has a very good body, and it is because of his scrupulous diet, very meticulous diet, that he has a very good body. That is what the sentence wants to say. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing the video. Now moving on to the next word for the day, but before that let me just tell you all the 1200 words that we have discussed through this particular method of mnemonics, underlining, visual method of learning the words, which helps you remember the word permanently, is available in the link in the description of this particular YouTube video. You can go download the link and download all the 1200 words. And moving on to the next word for the day, which I told you is again my favorite for the day, is seamless. Seamless is continuous, something that is consistent, steady, unfluctuating, and something that is perpetual, something जो कि अनंतवाद से चलता आ रहा है, स्थायी है, will keep on remaining स्थायी और continuous, keep on continuing for a very, very long time, is seamless. Antonym is intermittent and irregular. Something that is not regular is not seamless. Pronunciation, seamless. as is the word seamless. Now look at the visual that we have provided on the left hand side. Seamless. It's a continuous loop. Imagine if we add just one A into this entire scheme of things, seamaless, it will become seamaless. If something is seamaless, it is without boundaries. It is something that is continuous. Without boundaries, without borders is something that is continuous, that is consistent, is seamaless. Seamless, rhyme it with seamless and then remember this particular word. What are the various usages? Seamless user experience. The user is experiencing a very continuous, nice thing, and that is why he's there with your particular website or there with your particular app. Seamless service offerings. The company offers seamless service offerings. You can find the entire service offerings if you visit the company's office. Sentence 1. Samsung Galaxy J7 Next runs on Android 7.0 Nougat operating system out of the box, thus providing users with a seamless Android experience. So if you use Samsung Galaxy S7, J7, it will be a seamless Android experience. It will be a continuous, consistent, steady, sthai user experience, Android experience. Sentence 2. GST has put an end to 17 different levies and transformed India into a single market for seamless movement of goods and services. Goods and services before that used to pay toll taxes, and there are a lot of taxes that were existing, but because of GST, India has become moving goods has become a seamless activity, a consistent, steady activity. You need not stop now. Because of GST, you need not stop at the borders. Moving on to the fourth word for the day. The fourth word is sedition. Sedition is basically revolt, disobedience, resistant, defiance. When you are not agreeing to something, that is sedition. Hindi would be virodh or danga karna. Sedition is virodh and danga karna. Antonym would be loyalty and obedience. Pronunciation is sedition. Sedition. Now, what is the Wordaholic's way? What is the brain-friendly way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time into your memories? What is that particular way? Look at the word on the left-hand side. It consists of two different words. Sedition, as if you have said something and that has caused tension. So, that is how you remember this particular word. You have said something which has caused tension, provoked the regulations of the country, and that was counted as a revolt or a disobedience. What are the various usages? Sedition charges, sedition cases, sedition law. In 2014, some Kashmiri students were charged with sedition. Kashmiri students charged with sedition. They would have done something wrong, and that has caused sedition for supporting Pakistan in a cricket match between India and Pakistan. See what they had done. They had just supported Pakistan, and that was counted as sedition, as revolt, as disobedience. You had said something, you have done something that has caused a revolt. Sentence 2. JNU row Rahul, Kejriwal, Yechuri booked for sedition. Rahul, Kejriwal and Yechuri have been booked because for the JNU they had fought for something, and that was counted as sedition, as a revolt against the ruling party, against the country. Sentence 3, 4 and 5 you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the last word for the day. The last word for the day is sequestered. Sequestered is basically hidden away, lonely, quiet, secret and secluded. Hindi would be tanha, ekant mein rehna. Tanha ya ekant mein rehna is sequestered. Antonym is public. When you are in a public place, you are not sequestered. Pronunciation is sequestered, right? So what is the brain friendly way? Once again, the Wordaholic's way of remembering this particular word. Look at the visual that we have provided. This person has gone on a quest. He was seeking quest. If you look at the word sequester, underlined portion, seeking for or questing for some kind of a knowledge, some kind of a peace of mind, and therefore he has left the society, he has gone into a meditating area and he is meditating. He is not in a public place. This particular visual is not in a public place. So that is how you remember somebody who has gone seeking, questing for silence and peace. What are the various usages? Sequestered part of the country. Villages are the sequestered part, the corners of the country. Northeast is a sequestered part of the country. Sequestered in a room. Sentence 1. The beautiful resort is sequestered on the hills on JNK. Many of the people go for sequestered resorts for their honeymoons. Sentence 2. As more and more rainforests disappear, the planet loses one of its primary means to safely sequester carbon dioxide. Sequestering to segregating carbon dioxide, that is not possible because of the forests disappearing act that is happening. Now with that particular word, we have reached the end of the presentation for today on the words. These are 5 amazing words, and I told you word number 1, word number 3 you can absolutely start using from today onwards, and other words also. These words will help you sound sophisticated in front of your friends, relatives, colleagues, employers. They can help you increase your salary. They can help you cast a very good impression. The first impression is the best impression, and these words will also help you score more in competition exams which require English as a major component. Now with that particular thing, I would request you to like and subscribe our video. If you are new in this particular channel, please like and subscribe, and please visit our playlist section. We have a ton of content. We have around 250-300 words already discussed through this particular method. It was a pleasure interacting with you today. Thank you so much.